Hey guys, welcome to the very first video of this series and the channel as well. In this series I will be teaching you about basic HTML. This series is for anyone who wants to learn how to make a simple web page. In this first video I will tell you about the kind of text editors you need to work with or in HTML. First of all, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is basically a structure blocks for any website, like for example Facebook or Instagram, any website that you see on the internet. They're all structured in HTML. HTML is building blocks for them. Okay, so let's start with your text editor. You can use your normal notepad. Like here I have a notepad. You can use this as your to use HTML, or you can install a separate notepad or a separate application. There's this notepad++.org. This is a good text editor. This is very simplistic. You can use this. This is only on Windows, by the way, not on Mac. Or I prefer Sublime. SublimeText.com. Yes. And this is on Mac as well. You can download this, and Sublime looks like this. This is how Sublime looks. I prefer this. There are many other text editors. You can use any text editor that you're comfortable with. In this series I will be using Sublime, so if you want to follow along you can install this, or if you want you can use this. This is a very lightweight text editor. You can go to the downloads and just go to the latest one over here. Okay, so if you don't know if your Windows are 32-bit or 64-bit, just click this first installer link. Or if you know that your Windows are 64-bit, you should install this 64-bit one. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully by then you will have a text editor to work with, and yeah, see you in the next video.